everyone, this is Akriti here. Today I am drawing alarm clock. Let's start. Let's draw and color together.
1 apple, 2 apples, 3 apples, oh my, 4 apples for my apple pie. 1 lemon, 2 lemons,
Do you have alarm clock?
lemons, oh hey, 4 lemons for some lemonade. 1, 2, 3,
Now I am writing the numbers here.
9 and 10, let's sing it all again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Now I am drawing minute and hour hands.
1 apple, 2
This clock
apples,
has
3
eyes,
apples,
nose
oh
and
my,
mouth.
4 apples for my apple pie. 1 lemon, 2 lemons,
Do you know how to
3
read
lemons,
clock?
oh, hey, 4 lemons for some lemonade.
In this clock,
Let's keep
right
on
now it is
counting on.
4:40.
Ooh, give me some ice cream. A scoop of sweet, sweet, delicious ice cream. 1 scoop, 2 scoop, 3 scoop more. Ooh, give me some ice cream. Ooh, this is perfection to me. Chocolate, vanilla, or strawberry.
Green,
1 scoop, 2 scoop, 3 scoop more.
black,
This is perfection to me. Whether it's frozen
yellow,
cold or melting down my fingers.
light green,
Ice cream is the treat that lingers. Ooh, give
orange,
me some ice cream. A scoop of sweet, sweet,
pink,
delicious ice cream. 1 scoop, 2 scoop, 3 scoop more.
red,
Ooh, give me some ice cream. Whether it's frozen cold or melting down my fingers. Ice
light
cream
purple,
is the treat that lingers. Ooh, give me some ice cream. A scoop of sweet, sweet, delicious ice cream. 1 scoop, 2 scoop, 3 scoop more. Ooh, give me some ice cream.
green, purple,
Rock-a-bye baby on the treetop. When the wind blows, the cradle will rock. When the bough breaks,